This video will demonstrate how to find source material in the library databases and use the citation tool to transfer documentation to your works cited list. So from the Blackboard page, you're going to click the Library tab. It will take you to the library website. Then click Library Resources and Databases. Now from here, remember it was L for Library, L for Literature, and L for Literature Resource Center. So you can click this database and we'll do a search for David Foster Wallace right here. And then once you get to this page, you can search literary criticisms, biographies, whatever you want, but we'll start with literature criticisms. And for example, we'll just choose this critical essay right here. If this is the one that you want to choose to use, to get the citation for your works cited page, just click Citation Tools and make sure you're using the MLA option. If you click down here, it says Chicago APA. You want to use the MLA one. So just click Select, and you're going to copy the selected material and go to your works cited page. If you were just to hit Control V or paste it the regular way, it's going to come up with this gray background, and no matter what you do, you can't get rid of it. Even if you try no color, it doesn't work. So instead of hitting Control V, right click and choose this middle paste option that says merge formatting, because if you choose the last one, it's going to get rid of all the italicized words. So you're going to pick the middle one. And now it's pasted in there, but you want the bottom lines to be indented. That way you can tell, it organizes it easier and you can tell which one goes with which author. So in this paragraph little drop down button, under special, you can click hanging for a hanging tab. And then you're also going to want to change this to double space so it comes out double spaced. And this line that says after, change this to 0 so it doesn't add any extra spaces in between your entries. Then when you hit OK, now it's lined up the right way and everything looks good. If you were, I'll show you another example, because if you were going to pick a different article from the database, we'll go back and we'll choose, we'll choose this first one. Notice the title is all capital letters. It actually shouldn't be like that, but when you click the citation tool, it still keeps it in all caps. So if you were to do the same thing and copy this and go to paste it into your document, and this author's last name starts with D and you want them in alphabetical order, so we'll just space down and put this above the author's last name that starts with a K. But if we were to pick the middle option, again, now that's the reason for the hanging tab for the indent. Now you can tell easily that this whole entry is one and then this whole entry is another. But it kept all the capitalized letters here for the title. It should look like this title down here, where just the first letter is capitalized. And an easy way to change that is just highlight the capital title, and this symbol right here with the capital A and the lowercase a, if you click a drop down, it gives you options. We'll pick capitalize each word. That changes it so just the first word is capitalized. It does change all of them, so you have to proofread. For example, the should not have a capital T. And we'll change that to lowercase. In, we'll change to lowercase. And now it looks good. You have the titles the right way. Everything's in alphabetical order. It's indented. Everything's in italics that should be. And you can keep going and adding the rest of your sources from there.